ABC Animal Song.
Alligator. The alligator has sharp teeth and lives in the water. It loves to snap its jaws. Bee. Buzz, buzz. A bee is a small insect that makes honey and flies around flowers. Meow, meow. Cats are soft and cuddly pets that love to purr when happy. Woof, woof. Dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are loyal pets that love to play, bark, and wag their tails. Eft. The elephant is the biggest land animal with a long trunk to drink water. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs jump high and live near ponds. They have big eyes and love to croak. Go! Bow, bow, bow. Goats have little horns and love to climb hills. They eat grass and leaves. Horses run fast and love to gallop in fields. People ride them too. Iguana. Hiss, hiss. Iguanas are green reptiles that love to sit in the sun. Jaguar. Roar, roar. Jaguars are big cats with spots. They are great hunters in the jungle. Kangaroo. Boing, boing. Kangaroos hop with strong legs and carry babies in their pouches. Lion. Roar, roar. The lion is the king of the jungle with a big mane and a loud roar. Monkeys swing in trees and love to eat bananas. Nightingale, tweet. Nightingales are little birds that sing beautiful songs at night. Owls are wise birds that stay awake at night and hunt in the dark. Bike, bike. Pigs love to roll in the mud and have curly tails. Quails are small birds with a cute feather on their heads. Rabbit! Rabbits have long ears, fluffy tails, and love to hop around. Snake. Snakes slither on the ground and have forked tongues. Tigers have orange and black stripes and are strong hunters. You umbrella bird. Whoop, whoop. The umbrella bird has fluffy black feathers and a cool umbrella-shaped crest. Gow, gow. Vultures have big wings and help keep nature clean by eating leftovers. Woo! Howl, howl, woo! Wolves live in packs and love to howl at the moon. X-ray tetra, glub, glub. X-ray tetras are tiny see-through fish that swim in rivers. Yak, yeah, yeah. Moo, moo. Yaks have long, shaggy fur and live in cold, snowy mountains. Zebras. Wee, wee. Zebras look like striped horses and run fast in the wild.